Lahato. NS4A2.
Mabuhay ka pa ng matagal, pare.
Bebe, sa mga pre hanggang dulo, wala tayong iwanan, pare. Love you. Love you.
Happy 21st birthday!
So from being our Go Group member, no, so I'm happy to see your progress. So God bless and hope you enjoy your day.
Bye!
Hi Gab, happy 21st birthday to you. Parang kailan lang nung una ka namin nakita nila mama at papa, ang liit mo pa nun. Ngayon mas matangkad ka na sa amin. Now that you're turning 21, our only wish for you is for you to be always in good condition, physically, mentally, emotionally healthy. Especially now that you're entering the adulthood era, so sooner or later gagraduate ka na rin and makakapagtrabaho ka na, so congratulations in advance. So dapat palagi tayong healthy kasi yan yung magiging investment natin sa sarili natin. So yun lang, again, happy 21st birthday to you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye!
Happy birthday, Gab! Sundin mo lang si mami at daddy mo. Ilang kembot na lang, magiging siman ka na. I-push mo na yan. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Gab!
Happy birthday, Gab! 21 years old ka na. So, I know, alam mo na yung pattern na gusto mo in life. And, mahirap maging adulthood kasi more paths, more exploration ng life. Pero I know makakayanan mo kasi pinalaki kang maayos ng mama at papa mo. And, alam ko magiging successful ka talaga sa journey mo. Natatahakin mo sa buhay mo. Kasi alam kong mahal na mahal mo yung mama at papa mo. Ingat ka palagi and magiging successful ka sa mga gusto mo in life. Ingat and love ya!
Hi Gab! Happy 21st birthday! Bilang isang iyong only child, kuya. Wow, only child. Team only child! Ang prayer ko sa iyo is patuloy kang maging respectful sa parents mo at marami pang pwedeng mangyari sa iyo. So, isa pa sa pinagpipray ko ay makilala mo si Lord personally at mas lumalim ka sa salita ng Panginoon. Magkaroon ka ng time to read the Bible. So, yun. And remember this verse, Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6. Maybe alam mo na to. Sabi dito, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will make your path straight. So, kung gusto natin ng isang daan na matuwid, no, parati lang tayo magtiwala sa Panginoon. At yung pagtitiwala na yun, it requires surrendering everything to the Lord.